Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to Rhythm Guitar for Absolute Beginners. And in part 7 we looked at a new chord, F. Probably the most difficult chord that you've learned because of the way the two fingers have to be flattened across the first fret of the E string, the 6th string, and the B string or the 5th string, like so. For this we're going to practice the 12-bar blues in C. And the 12-bar blues in C has 3 chords, C, F and G. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 12-bar blues in C with C, F and G. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.